Got the 2 new beehives, got the queens and the 3-pound boxes of workers. These are Italians. Seem to be doing pretty good today. Cold night, and it's about 50 degrees, 55 degrees today. They're doing a lot of flying. Can't really see it, but they're coming back with a lot of pollen in their back legs and all. But they're pretty active, so look to be doing pretty good so far. I haven't opened it up in a couple of days, but last time I did, they looked good. Last year's bees didn't make it over the winter, so had to get 2 new setups this year.